I know I shouldn't be playing with these until I get my batteries, because I don't have any batteries, really. Oh, no. No, you can't leave. Once you enter, you enter. You must read the manual. You're so dead. Just knock off already. What the? Guys, it's completely dead. I think. How? That wasn't even 15 minutes. Oh God, I have to take another one apart. This one's really bad. I can't believe that. They're all too dead to be on the bridge battle. Because they're all tipped over and they can't get up. That one's always slow. Can't believe that it's dead already. I gotta take apart another battle bug. I'm not gonna have this one dead that much. Okay, I'm turning these off then. So I get that problem fixed. Back there. But they closed the door on each other. That's why they didn't have escape. Hardly even time. See, this one's not even dead yet, and the orange one is.